I don't usually wear a tie, but today it's Annie's wedding. And now I'm in London just to see her getting married. Minna is here, and apparently she's pregnant. Sideways is better.
Very pregnant.
Look at that. She is still small, but with a big bump. Are they here yet?
I'm coming in 2 minutes. How long?
2 minutes, okay. So not such a bad morning today in London, and I'm going to help out Joe with his little event in Monument. It's a pretty cool day to be out. London's looking glorious. So the plan was to go today, meet with Mark and have a test flight of the drone. But as you can see, well, I mean, the quality of the video is pretty good. It's actually darker than it looks in the sky up here. So what we're gonna do is probably just chill, and I really miss my niece Dasha, and I want to see her.
Bro.
Where is my princess? There is my princess! Yeah! Are you my Egyptian princess?
Yeah.
Yes! Yay! Dasha?
What?
Just waving.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So the tradition with Mark, my brother and I, is that we'd always, when I'm at his place, play chess and Chopin and some good whiskey. Chess, brother. You can hear Chopin in the background.
And we run out of whiskey, so we're on the ouzo.
We ran out of whiskey, so we're on the ouzo. The only thing that seems to be inconsistent is who wins at the night. We know how it's going to go. He's going to win as always. Mate.
You're distracting me.
Ow.